Hello students, welcome to your e-learning classes. Now this is your EVS class. So all of you open your EVS textbook, page number 101. Okay, the chapter seasons. So in the last classes we have already completed this chapter, that is season. What is season? When we have the same weather for a long time, it is called season, and a year has different season. Three main season. These are summer, rainy and winter, and two short season. These are spring and autumn. Okay, and summer, rainy season and autumn we have already completed. So next season, that is winter. After autumn comes the cold months of winters, and cold winds blow and there is snowfall at some places like in the hilly areas. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. We also light fires or use heaters to keep warm. We have hot food and hot drinks. Okay, so this season is winter. So in winter season, cold winds blow and there is snowfall at some places. So cold wind blow and there is snowfall at some places. Okay, and we wear woolen cloths to keep ourselves warm. We wear woolen cloths to keep ourselves warm. Okay, and we also light fires or use heaters to keep warm, and we have hot food and hot drinks. Okay, this is the winter season, and winter season comes after autumn, and this is the cold season, cold months of winter. Next season, that is spring. So next season, that is spring. Okay, spring is short and lovely season. It comes just before summer and after winter. This season is pleasant weather. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It is the season of beautiful flowers and butterflies. Okay, so spring is short and lovely season. It comes just before summer. So spring comes just before summer and after winter. Okay, after winter, and this season is pleasant. It is neither too cold or not too hot. It is the season of beautiful flowers and butterflies. It is the season of beautiful flowers, beautiful flowers, beautiful flowers and butterflies. Okay. So next, which is your favorite season? Why? Okay. So all of you write down this season. What is your favorite or which is your favorite season? Winter or spring and why? Okay. So today I have completed this chapter and next classes we will start our question answer. Okay. So thank you students.